Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuhu, brothers and sisters. Each time I say or I write Jum'ah Mubarakah, many people question me, Sheikh, is it Jum'ah Mubarak or Jum'ah Mubarakah? We notice you do say and as well you write Jum'ah Mubarakah, but we are so much familiar and we hear people say Jum'ah Mubarak. Brothers and sisters, you see, when it comes to language, we have to be careful, especially language we do not understand very well. You know, not everyone who speaks Arabic language or write Arabic language, whether in Arabic letters or it is transcribed in his or her own language, so which is his letter, we call that transliteration, so are well acquainted with the rule of Arabic grammar. So it's very simple. So the correct saying is Jum'ah Mubarakah. So don't ever say Jum'ah Mubarak. Not that when you say Jum'ah Mubarak, it attracts sin or it attracts the wrath of Allah Azza wa Jalla. You know, Allah scholars have in fact have a different view on the saying that our frontliners used to greet each other with the sayings or not. We are not here to discuss that, but I tell you, brothers and sisters, there is nothing bad in saying it. So far it is not kalma kufr, so a word which disbelief in Allah shows in it. So when we say Jum'ah Mubarakah in Arabic language, there is something we call as-sifatu wal mawsuf, yani an-na'atu wal man'ut, that is adjective and the word being qualified. So you know, in the English word we have a subject whereby we are to adjective it, describe it with another word. So in Arabic, the rule is that the subject which is being described agrees with the gender of the word used to describe it. So when you want to place an adjective besides a noun, so both must be of the same gender. So for people to say Jum'ah Mubarak, so they've got it wrong. Yes, because Jum'ah is feminine and Mubarak, that is masculine. You know, when you think deeply about the rules I've just mentioned now, so it should be masculine to describe masculine and then feminine to describe feminine. So let's please take good care of these, and we try to correct ourselves whenever we say it. Those who are used to saying Jum'ah Mubarak, you try to correct yourself. The correct saying is Jum'ah Mubarakah. And again, brothers and sisters, some do say on this day of Jum'ah, they say Jum'ah Sa'eedah, Jum'ah Mufeedah. No, there's nothing like that. The correct saying is Jum'ah Sa'eedah, Jum'ah Mufeedah. You know, masculine for masculine and feminine for feminine. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala safeguard every one of us. Take care. Jum'ah Mubarakah, Jum'ah Sa'eedah, Jum'ah Mufeedah. Barakallahu feekum wa baraka lana. Ameen.